June Fast 5. A big post this week will affect dealer groups whose users share the same email settings in multiple stores. If you have users who have their email settings copied into more than one store, your inbox to your emails will need to be checked specifically in the lowest PMO dealership ID for your group. For example, your store's numbers are 1000, 1001, and 1002. You are still able to send your emails to your customers in store 1002. The send and receive emails will still be added to the correct customer record in 1002. However, your inbox and notifications will be found all in store ID 1000. This update came about when we noticed some duplication happening, so we've updated our email processes for users who use the same email across dealer groups. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact your dealer support specialist. We're able to explain further. For those of you who utilize Manheim feature, you are now able to push once again from Promax to Manheim. Programming had to be done to match recent updates in Manheim. So once Promax has pushed your information over to Manheim, you will now have to click on the search button to finish your task. With Ringless Voicemail, you have the ability to drop a voicemail message directly into a customer's cell phone without even having to make a call or ring their phone. This feature works great with appointment reminders, dealership events, time to trade up messages, purchase anniversaries, birthdays, and you name it. To receive more information on this very popular feature, contact your dealer support specialist. The refresher for this month. I'd like to show you all how to set up your users to send text, receive text, and where to find your text message histories. So I'm going to open up Promax, and we're going to start in our admin section. We need to set up our users to send and receive text. So we're going to click on Admin, User Access, and we're going to select our user that we need to add. I've already done it here, but you need to add the cell phone number into the field next to the cell phone hyperlink. Make sure that there's no dashes or spaces in here or one in front of it. You simply click on cell phone, the hyperlink, and then you can give this user the ability to send the notifications receiving text messages back into their cell phone, or you can display a pop-up into Promax, or you can do both. So I'm going to leave it selected as both, hit save, and we're going to hit our back button to save our screen. Let's see how this texting works. So we're going to select the customer and go to their work screen. You do have the capability to add a compliance feature or not add a compliance feature. You can send an initial message asking your customer to allow the dealership to text them or not to text them. To text your customer, you simply click on the cell button next to their phone number, and you can manually send a text in, or you can choose an SMS snippet that's already pre-populated for you. These snippets are great because you can insert variables, appointment reminder information, etc., into those snippet variables, and you can hit send your text here, or you can send your manual text here. We also, in each screen, have an SMS transaction history, so you can see all the texts that have been sent and received to this particular customer. And then you can simply hit send to send your text. Now, I've received my text on my cell phone already, so I'm going to go ahead and respond. And I'm going to leave this screen just to populate my data. We're going to go about our business here using Promax, and we'll have a pop-up screen, but in this short amount of time, I want to go back into the customer screen and show you that I've received the text and I've responded already. We're leaving a note here in your customer notes, and you can also, again, check your SMS transaction history here. Another way you can go and check your histories are go and click on Reports and click on SMS History Report. This is going to show you the text sent and received throughout the dealership. And there you have it. Simple as that. If you have any questions on text messaging, please feel free to contact your dealer support specialist. We're definitely able to help you out with that. Okay, remember, ProMax, we offer tons of training and assistance when it comes to using our products. Free online pre-recordings, scheduled WebExes with live trainers, come visit us for a week in our office, and if you require us to come to you, we can work out some on-site training packages. Give your dealership support specialist a call or email to help set up training or any questions or inquiries you have from this Fast 5 or ProMax in general. We are always happy to help. This is your Fast 5 for June. We hope you have a great month, and if you need just 1 or 2 more car sales, let your dealership support specialist know. We're happy to take a look at your site to see if we can make any suggestions. Have a happy day, and thanks for choosing ProMax.